Dear students, welcome to the video solving linear equations. Let's first see what equation means. Equation is a statement in which two equations are equal. Now, so when it says two equations are equal, so definitely you should see equal sign in that statement. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 4. Do you see? 2 plus 3 on the left hand side gives you 5, on the right hand side 5. So it's an equation. Both sides are equal. Now, let's first see properties of equation. Properties of equations. Now property 1. When A is equal to B, then A plus C will be equal to B plus C. What it means? It means you are allowed to add a constant from both sides. For example, we know that 2 is equal to 2. When you add 3 to both sides, left is 5, right is 5. Again, they are equal. So it's the first property that you can add a constant to both sides. Now, if A is equal to B, you can, it is added C, C is subtracted. You are allowed to subtract a constant from both sides. For example, 10 is obviously equal to 10. When you subtract a constant, for example, like 2 from both sides, 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. In both sides, you have 8. So they are again equal. Third property, A is equal to B again, and I multiply by C. C should be a non-zero number, because if you multiply both sides by is 0, so it will be 0. And when I multiply left hand side, it will be AC is equal to BC. Now let's see an example. We know that 3 is equal to 3. I multiply both sides by, for example, 6. It will be 18, right? Also 18. Again, they are equal. Now, fourth property, A is equal to B. I divide both sides by a non-zero number. So A divided by C will be equal to B divided by C. Now, example. For example, here 18 is equal to 18. I divide both sides by 3 on the left, 6 on the right, 6 as well, which are equal. So these are major properties of equations which are used to solve linear algebraic equations. Now let's see some examples concerning solving equations. Now, solving one step equations. Now, example, solve x plus 4 is equal to negative 11. Now, here we are looking for a number which is x added to 4 gives you an answer of negative 11. Now, x plus 4, I first write the equation. I leave some space here. Now, when you are supposed to find x, it means you are going to isolate it. You make it alone. You are going to make it the subject. 4 is extra here. Now, you can, to get rid of 4, you can subtract 4 from both sides. So 4 and minus 4 cancel out each other. It will be negative 15. Or you could say that 4 is transferred to the other side. When 4 is transferred to the other side, it will be transferred with opposite sign. Here is positive, it goes to the other side, becomes negative. So minus 11 minus 4 will be negative 15, giving you the same answer. Now, second example, solving multi-step equations. Now, example, solve minus 27 plus 6y is equal to 3 times y minus 3. Now, here, first step is to expand right hand side. Minus 27 plus 6y is equal to 3y minus 9. Now, here you have 3y, which consists of an unknown on the right hand side, y on the left hand side as well. To solve linear equations, we need to have knowns in one side and unknown to the other side. So I want to transfer 3y to the left hand side, so I can subtract 3y from both sides. Minus 27 plus 6y, it would be, let me leave some space here to use another color to clearly show that what is happening here. 3y is subtracted because I want to get rid of this 3y. So 3y minus 3y will be 0, will cancel out each other. So you have minus 27 plus 6y minus 3y. Together 3y is equal to minus 9. Now, again, on the left hand side you have unknown, known. I'm gonna get rid of this negative 27, so I add 27 to both sides. So 3y is equal to minus 9 plus 27 will be 18. Now, here, this equation gives you 3y while I'm looking for y. How can we get rid of 3 here? Yes, the fourth property. You are allowed to divide both sides by a constant non-zero number. So divided by 3. I divide both sides by 3. 3 cancel out each other. Y will be 6. So the answer to this equation is 6.